Exploring the world of cooking, BBQ Skewers Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious topic, barbecue skewers. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand what barbecue skewers are and how they're used in English-speaking cultures. Let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, barbecue and skewers. Barbecue. This is an abbreviation for barbecue, a popular cooking method that involves grilling food, usually outdoors, over an open flame or hot coals. Barbecue is not just a cooking technique but also a social event in many English-speaking countries, especially during summer. Skewers. Skewers are long, thin rods made of metal or wood. They are used to hold pieces of food together while they are being cooked. The idea is to pierce the food items with the skewer so they can be easily grilled. When combined, barbecue skewers refers to food items, often meat or vegetables, that are threaded onto skewers and cooked over a barbecue. In many English-speaking countries, barbecue skewers are a staple at outdoor gatherings, like picnics or family reunions. They're popular for several reasons. Versatility. You can use a variety of meats, vegetables, or even fruits. Convenience. Skewers make it easy to turn and cook the food evenly. Social aspect. Cooking and eating barbecue skewers is often a communal and interactive experience. When talking about barbecue skewers in English, people might use phrases like grilling skewers or kebabs, which is another term for meat or vegetables cooked on skewers. Here are some quick tips if you're interested in making barbecue skewers. Choose the right skewers. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for about 30 minutes before use to prevent burning. Cut ingredients uniformly. This ensures even cooking. Season well. Marinades and spices add flavor to your skewers. Grill properly. Cook over medium heat and turn skewers regularly for even cooking. I hope this video has given you a tasty insight into the phrase, barbecue skewers, and its usage in English-speaking cultures. Remember, language learning can be as fun as exploring different cuisines. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next culinary language adventure.